Yeah, hi. In this tutorial, we'll be learning purchase GST in Tally. Earlier tutorial, we have learned purchase exempted. Now, to start, begin with you have to go to accounts info over here, accounts voucher, and then you need to press F9, and then you have to select date. I have selected that is 2nd September because my invoice is of 2nd September. Here is my invoice, and my invoice number is 01475. Yes, and my party name is not mentioned over here. It's Vijay Sales India Private Limited, so I have to press Alt C and type Vijay Sales India Private Limited. Enter. Sundry creditors. Now sundry creditors, I have purchased from Vijay Sales India Private Limited. So whom I am purchased, I need to pay in future the amount what I had purchased. So for that, in my business will be sundry creditors. In the business whom I need to pay in future, so that person will be sundry creditors in my business. Now address will be near Charni Road, Jodhpur, and the pin code is 302020. Enter. Regular. GST number is 08ARDF and 125 8R1ZU. Enter. Again enter. Your party is created. Now this is not purchase exempted, this is purchase GST. So again I have to press Alt C, purchase GST. Enter. This will go under purchase. Rest all the detail will be as it is. Your goods will be there, and press enter. So your purchase GST purchase ledger has been created. Now what is the stock item? Vivo V7 Pro is my stock item name. Alt C, Vivo V7 Pro. Enter. Enter. Now here my item is not 0%, it is 12%. So your item at the rate 0% is there. I have to press Alt C and I have to make item at the rate it's 12%. Enter. And this is my pieces. So select pieces. GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST, yes. And if your option is not there, you have to press F12 and allow HSN, yes, and allow show all type of GST type, yes. So what is my HSN number? It's 851-71210. 851-71210. Press enter. This is on value. This is taxable, not exempt. Tax is 12%, so 6% will be for central and 6% for the state. Enter. And this is goods. Enter. How much is the quantity? 2 pieces. How much is the rate? 5357.14. 5357.14. Enter. The next item is BTEL N1. So Alt C again. BEETEL N1. Enter. Now this item is not 12%, not 0%. So how much is the percent? So it is 12%. So you have to make 12%. Alt C. Items at the rate that is 18%. Enter. And this is my pieces. So select pieces. GST applicable. Set alter GST detail, yes. If you cannot find the option, press F12. So allow HSN and show all GST type, yes. What is my HSN number? It's 851-71290. 851-71290. Enter on value. It's taxable, but right now it's 18%, so 9% and 9% will be distributed among central and state. Enter. Goods. Enter. How much is the quantity? 2 pieces. The rate is 805.08. 805.08. Enter. Now come out from this. Here. Now here you have to press Alt C. Now here you have to make one taxation, that is SGST, that is state GST, and all the taxes mostly goes on duties and taxes. This is GST. This is your state GST. Press enter. Not applicable. Enter. So automatically your tax will be calculated. Similarly, you press Alt C make for CGST for central GST. Here also duties and taxes GST. Here will be central, press enter, not applicable, enter. Now here also it will be calculated. And one more thing that you need to make, that is round off. ROUNDOFF, enter, enter. It will go under your indirect expenses. Press enter, enter. Invoice rounding, normal rounding 1, then press enter. Fantastic, your purchase GST is ready. I hope you have understood the purchase GST. Practice it, you will get it. Okay, thank you.